when you say sand dunes, there's dunes. You know, there's lots of them. So there's something you can do on every single hill here. It's scary actually when you first come here. Just getting up the first one is a challenge. And then you get here and you realise around you, so many sand dunes here. The boys, it's sort of something that the boys are used to doing, but you never actually get used to it. You know, they know what's in store. A few of the boys are saying today is the hardest ones they've done. And I think it's because they're fitter than they've ever been. And because they're got a lot fitter, we can push them harder, which is great. It's a great day out for the team. It's a morale boosting day. I know it sounds silly, but you know, people that are in the sport will understand that when you go through this sort of hard work, it bonds you. And we'll see the real benefits of this the rest of this pre-season and moving into the new year. You know, some of the sand dunes tucked over that hill there go straight down. So you've got to come straight back up, and it's tough. But you know, full credit to every single player here today. And you know, we found out about a lot of players today, and what we found out was real good.